Hello everyone and hope you all are doing well. So as you already know that on which topic we are going to talk about this today, because I have already mentioned in the title that I am not happy with the Google ads and why I'm not happy and what exactly is the reason. We are going to see everything in detail. So stay with me till the end and you will have many more things to learn here in the Google ads. So it was my first ad campaign and the first ad that I've created after so long. Everyone on YouTube wants to promote their channel, they have their own content and they want to promote that, right? So I also wanted to promote my channel that I can show you just right now. This is my travel channel that I've started few months back and I wanted to promote this particular video. Sankri to Kedarkanta Summit. It's a trekking
देखेंगे
video.
फिर वहां से वापस आएंगे
Alright.
केदारकंठा
So
बेस।
this is what I wanted to promote. So first I have created this particular campaign. So there are two campaigns. So basically this I have created for the testing purpose, Trek promo, but that has the ad and that was not, I have not uh, used it for the purpose. I have deleted that. But this particular travel channel campaign is what I am currently using. And what exactly happened with me, let me share with you. All right. So let me just show you what are all the details that I have kept for this particular ad campaign. So here, if I'll click on more details, here you can see this is the standard campaign and frequency capping. I have kept it as 1 impression per week. I assume that you already know how to create the Google ad. That is why you are here. And if you don't know, in future I'm also going to create a new campaign and I will show you and what are all the major things that we need to take care of. In that also I will cover in the future videos, but here I will tell you what exactly are the things that I faced and what is the issue that I'm currently facing. All right, and that mistake you should not do. All right, bidding I have kept it at manual, cost per view, device, mobile phones and tablets I have kept, network all YouTube search result as you can see, and inventory type I've kept it as expanded inventory. All right, now in here if I'll go to the insights overview, see this particular thing is showing the data of today, 7th Jan, and the average cost is 0.24. That means this particular, on this particular day my ad is running on average cost of 0.24 and there are only 113 impressions. And what is the total cost? It's 0.97 for the 4 views. All right, now let's see. Let me show you few more things here. I'm going again in the more detail section and here there are few more details. See, in campaign there is one ad group. So in campaign you can create different ad groups. So see, my campaign name is travel channel and in that I have the ad group tracking to 5/1/2022. I have created this one on 5/1/2022. All right, this is the details. This ad group is currently active, enabled. Ad group type in feed video. Maximum CPV I have kept it at 0.25, but that is not the case when I started. So that is why I told you to stay with me, because there are a lot more things I'm going to cover right now. See all these things that you can currently see, audience demographics, I have kept it here. If you want me to cover these things, I will cover that later on. But see, as soon as I will switch here from today to yesterday, can you see this thing? The impression that I've got was 10.2k and the views are only 340. And the cost, can you see this? This is huge, 0.57. Let me just go to my YouTube once again and I will show you one thing here. All right, just notice that one. See, currently my view is 1.6k. This is a new channel. I also recommend you to please
Happy.
subscribe and support me here as well. And I will go to analytics. All right. I will go to analytics, and as I showed you yesterday's data in the Google AdSense, there are 340 views. All right. So earlier I had 1.3k. Earlier I had 1 point around 2k without any ad campaign running. All right. Without any ad campaign running, I had 1.3k, and in 48 hours only earned 340 views. And for that, how much I have paid? Can you just see this? I have paid 192 rupees, and you don't want to spend that much. And see, now I'm telling you the exact reason why this happened. See, when I created this on the 5th, see, I am now going to the 5th data here. This week, yesterday, I am going to 5th. All right, 5th to 5th, apply. All right, I'm checking the 5th data. All right, on the 5th day itself, it was enabled, but the ad was not running. I have kept it earlier as 0.3. All right, I have kept it earlier as 0.3, but at that point of time, see, the ad is eligible, the ad was approved, everything was there, but my ad was not running. So you must have also seen this type of case that your ad is eligible, your ad is approved, but still your ad is not running. Okay, so that was the case with me also. So what I did actually, see, I did was I increased to 0.5. I waited for around 12 hours, but again there was no impression, no views on that video. So I thought, okay, maybe I will increase it a little bit, and later point of time I will decrease. All right. So what I did was I just increased that to 0.7, and my daily budget is 100. All right. So as soon as I increased to 0.7, after few hours on the 6th, that is yesterday, as you can see, I started getting impression at somewhere around 8 p.m. All right. And suddenly the impression got so much impression I have got, and out of 10.2k impression, there was only 340 views. See, view rate is 3.33%, and the average cost is 0.57. So, and if I will in later videos I will also show you that there is not so much watch hours. Like, here I am thinking that if people are not really interested in seeing that video, or Google algorithm is just showing these views just to make the money, that can also be the scenario, because Google algorithms works very differently, because this works on the bidding profit, right? Who bids how much, and in that case their video will get promoted, right? So maybe this has something to do with the Google algorithm. I am a software developer, I know these things. So see, the average cost was that much. For 340 I paid around 200 rupees. All right. And now when I switched back to if I show you the today's, my average cost is 0.24, because as soon as I saw that I have exhausted around 200 rupees for 340 320 330 views, I reduced it to 0.3. Then again I reduced it to 0.2. Let me show you what is currently is my cost here. See, average CPB is 0. See here, if I'll go here, and if I'll click, sorry,
If you want to
let me
sell,
drag. All right. See, the maximum cost per view I have set it at 0.25 currently. So as soon as I saw that it is getting I am getting very less views, and my money is getting exhausted very fast, I reduced it to 0.25. And now, as you can see, how much impressions I have got? Only 113 impressions and 4 views. So the what you have to do, the thing here is, out of 10 minutes, the final thing what exactly I'm going to say is, see, when you're creating a new campaign, just keep that campaign for like a month. Okay, set it for 0.25. Okay, do not increase that much. Go for 0.25 or 0.3. If it is eligible and it is approved, then let the impressions come. Do not increase it suddenly, because that will exhaust your money very very quickly. All right, so don't do that mistake. Keep that for 3 4 days. The impression will start after 2 3 days. That will also take, or increase a little bit, not much, like 2 paise, like from 0.2 to increase to 0.2223. Like what I did, what I increased from 0.3 to 0.5, then 0.7, because I wanted to see how these things currently working here. All right, now I've learned so much from here, and there are few more things that I've noticed, and that I need to confirm before I tell you. So that is all for the today's video. So don't do these mistakes, and these settings you already saw, and what you have to do that you already know. And if your ad is eligible and it is not showing currently, you just have to increase your bidding a little bit and save it. You don't have to worry. If it is eligible, if it is approved, then it will run. It will run, it will take time, it will start, you will start getting impressions, but take some time. Give a bidding a little bit increase. Don't do that much, because it will exhaust your like money super fast, and that will not have much impact. All right, and there are few more things, that in which category you have to do these things and all that. See here, selected audience segment, which audience segment I have seen had shown this video and all that. That thing I will cover in my next video, like what I have noticed and what I have observed, that keeping what things is mandatory and keeping what things is unnecessary here. There are many things. I've done research for this a long time ago, but actually I was not ready for any campaign, but I just wanted to have the experience, and I want to share that with you. That is why I have created this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and there are very more important things that I'm going to show, and in future there are a lot more things related to IT programming, then my IT experience. There are a lot more things that I'm going to cover. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are new, because the channel is already new. So I'm sure that you are also new here. So please like, share and subscribe and support to this channel. And thank you so much for watching, and have fun, have a great day, and stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.